Hi, welcome back to my little corner of the internet. Today we're going to learn how to finish off an origami. To start, let's just pull the strand out, like so, and then we're going to take an embroidery needle and string it through the tail. Now you're going to take the needle and weave it through the front loop of each of those openings. Once you go all the way around, you're going to pull tight and close up the hole just like so. Then you're going to weave that tail back into the origami and hide the tail. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more content in the future. Thank you.